was the company established and how it has grown since then?
Okay, Kylie. So actually, when established the company, last January, actually 12 siya. Pero yung operation namin, it started 2023. And how actually, I am so very thankful sa mga employees ko dahil they are eager to help Garuda. And also my connections na way back during my employee days na sa mga connections ko lang. Then after that, yung team ko, na staff ko, they are do the best of their capacity to reach all my connections, and they all signed the contracts.
What inspired you to start Garuda Recruitment Agency?
Okay, why I start Garuda? I'm too inspired to build the Garuda. Okay, medyo malalim yan medyo hugot yan. Okay, first is, during my 4th year as an employee, I realized kasi na there's a lot of Filipino people who eager to have a work or job, pero hindi sila nabibigyan ng opportunity para magtrabaho. So that's why I built Garuda Recruitment Agency to help all the Filipino people to have their job and to help their family sa mga needs nila, sa buhay nila. Diba? Baka Miss Universe. Yun.
Next question. What's the story behind the name Garuda?
Okay, that is a very interesting question. The first time I ride a plane, it's Indonesian airline named Garuda International Airport. So probably hindi ko naman sa inaano yung other airlines, but that is the first time I so very overwhelmed. Kasi from the staff, from the crew, from the steward, especially sa airplane nila, very clean and very cozy. So that's the first, that's why I get Garuda Recruitment Agency. And also, Garuda Recruitment Agency, if you're going to see see the logo of Garuda, it's also include Eagle. Eagle is always fly high, and we are like that. Mostly all the Filipino, they are eagerly to have a job and to reach their dreams will come true. Garuda is half bird, half man. I also connect it to the industry of my business. Half bird, half man. Man is because of the manpower agency. Eagle is because Garuda aim to fly high. Garuda also, makilala din sa buong Pilipinas na one of the legit manpower agency here in the Philippines.
What is the long-term goal or aspiration of Garuda?
Okay, long-term goal ni Garuda, syempre yung kanina sinabi ko, ang pinaka-long-term pa rin is to help a lot of Filipino people. Hindi siya titigil, hindi siya mag-stop, and no one can stop Garuda to help all the Filipino people. Also, my long-term goal is not only for local. On my 60th birthday of my life, and also, yun yung pinaka-gift ko sa sarili ko, being a senior citizen, i-register ko naman siya para sa international. Yun, and but hopefully, yung staff ko ngayon dito, and also you, Kylie, will also still here dito kay Garuda, and para maging part din kayo sa successful. Yeah.
What is the purpose of Garuda or mission?
Mission, yun lang yung sinabi ko kanina. I'm still, talaga, consistent pa rin ako sa sinasabi ko. Sa vision, sa mission, And also, yung purpose is to help Filipino. Kapwa Pilipino lang.
Filipino love.
Yes.
And for the last question, what are the fundamental beliefs or principles that guide your company's decision?
Okay. The core values to school, malalaman na ng ibang tao. Dito. Okay. Garuda have a core values na laging ina-apply ng mga Garuda employees family and also you. Three things, the fundamental or core values ni Garuda. First is actions, culture, and decision making. Ni Garuda. That's why we reached the 3 years that still existence here in Philippines, especially in NCR. Especially, lagi namin ina-apply ito, yung core values, every time na nakikipag-communicate kami sa mga firm, and then two, nakikipag-communicate si Garuda, clients or customers and applicants. Lagi po namin ito, at lagi ito nire-remind sa Garuda family ko na lagi nilang i-apply yung tatlong to. Actions, lagi kailangan is always calm and always be professional and educated. Culture, kailangan dito, in culture and environment, kailangan lagi friendly at reachable sa lahat ng mga nangangailangan sa amin, kay clients and sa mga applicants. Third, decision making. So decision making always put top of the line bago sila gagawa ng actions or whatsoever. Always have a decision plan. Yun po, para maiwasan po yung pagkakamali sa trabaho. Yun.
So that will be the last question. So thank you po, Sir CJ.
Thank you, Kylie.
At General Manager po.
Thank you.
po.
Okay. Thank you, guys.